Welcome back to another episode of RideThe6 Rebuild FZ6R. In this episode, we're going to be putting the whole nose piece back together on the bike. And yeah, there's a lot to do, so I'm not going to bore you with a long intro. Let's get right to it. Alright guys, got Les back in the garage here again today. Say hi, Les.
Hey, how's it going?
Alright, so in order to prep for the new nose cone now, we need to take the mirrors and my little temporary signals off the bike. So Les is going to start unbolting these babies. It's going to get hot in this garage again.
Yeah, it does.
Just two little bolts there, guys, both 10mm sockets. Oh yeah, watch those little grommet things.
Yep, they come off too.
Yeah. Yeah, just lay that somewhere safe. They're easy to get off now. Try to do it with the bent stay bracket in the front.
No thanks.
It was, yeah, that whole thing was just mashed in, man. I couldn't even get the socket under there.
Yeah, they couldn't have put it in a tighter spot either.
Yeah, I know. It's, and once that top bracket gets bent, it's almost impossible. Alright guys, there we go. Two mirrors are off, the two rubber bushings. Alright guys, we're going to take the my temporarily mounted signals off right now. This is actually the mounting tab for the nose cowl, so yeah, this has to come off.
I'm going to put the nut back on so we don't lose it.
That's actually my flush mount signal for the fairing, so. These two are just an 8mm, guys, if you're tinkering around with these flush mounts. Ta-da. Ta-da. Off.
Simple. Make sure you don't cut the wire.
Yeah, we don't need to solder wires back together. Yep, that one can go. And that one up top here with a white plug.
Yep. And don't cut the plug either.
Yeah, don't break the plug.
Oops, sorry about that. There we go.
Yep, alright, so yep, that can just hang there. There should be 3 tie wraps there. Alright. So there we go, guys. The stay bracket, everything's all prepped up to actually try to put this nose cone back on. Gotta go hands-free here, so this is a 2-person job.
And the mirrors will.
Alright guys, the 5 bolts are in for the nose cowling. Something doesn't quite. Oh yeah, see if I lift the nose up?
And you'll lift the headlight up.
Yeah, that's what'll happen. Then it'll lock into place properly. Okay guys, mirrors are next. Stay tuned. Okay guys, we're going to bolt the mirrors in here now.
Do one at a time because you're going to have to.
So there we go guys, the crashed FZ6R has a front end again now. So now it's time to start putting on all the little plastic pieces. Alright guys, we're going to bolt the left side upper cowling on. We've already slid it in place here, so Les is just going to bolt in the 3 screws. The little thing seems so weak, but just because it's not clipped in there yet, right?
Right. You don't want to over tighten them and crack the plastic
No.
either.
I've seen those. I've broken a couple of those little tabs. Yeah, see that one's not even going in.
It is now.
Yep.
Okay.
All right.
We'll pop this.
I'm gonna see. Okay. Yeah, I think I can
here.
see it.
Okay. Pops into the grommet. That just pushes in. There we go.
All right. I think once we get everything together, it should. All right, guys, that side's on. Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
And then
And it
push upward and slide.
There we go. Yep.
All right, guys. So the right side upper is on. We'll get Les to bolt it in place. Same thing, 3 screws. All right, let's go around to the nose.
Pop it in.
All right, kind of starting to resemble a full bike again, guys. All right, guys, so we're gonna put the instrument panel piece in around the gauge cluster. There's 2 top pin or little pop pins in the top. Yep, that's slide her in there and pop it in. See if it latches.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, look at that. It works. Another one there. All right.
Of course it's the right size bolt. It's the one that came out of there.
Mm-hmm. All right. Come around to the other side. Perfect.
Perfect.
Alright, there you go, guys. She's starting to come together. A couple more pieces and the upper fairing set is complete. Alright guys, we're going to put in the right side inner whatever plastic cowling. First step is get that little center tab in there. And then there's a couple tabs on the side. I don't know if Les is even going to be able to see it. You line them up and slide forward. Oh, see, that one missed. Try this again. If you hit all your tabs, it should be pretty tight through here. Actually, I think it's probably in. This piece here's not in though. Oh yeah, there it just went. Alright. Just the angle usually, guys, like if it doesn't thread properly, just adjust the angle a little bit. Alright, so everything's clipped nice and tight through here. Pop pin here. Ooh. She don't like go down. There we go. Pop pins in, screws in. Upper right side is complete. Alright. So same thing, guys. Kind of angle it this way. Get that center pin in. Drop it down. Get all your side pieces in.
Don't break it.
Don't break it, but slide it forward. This one's not in here. Oh, there we go. That one's in. That one's in. Yeah, you'll know if this is loose, it's going to be quite obvious it's loose. So. Oh, there we go, guys. It's threading now. Yeah, it's just getting the right angle on these things. They're kind of a nuisance. Alright, pop pin. So, pop pin. There we go. Upper fairings are done. Wow, it's been a long time.
Yeah.
It's been a long time without the fairings. Alright guys, so that's a wrap on episode 14, I believe it is, of RideThe6 Rebuild FZ6R. Like the video, subscribe. There's a couple reasons why I haven't done a video in a couple weeks. A, I've been sick, I'm still sick. And B, there's some big news coming. Stay tuned for the videos, guys. Big news. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.